So yeah, good evening everyone. Just let me know that we are audible or not in
Yeah.
the comment section. So yeah, good evening everyone.
Hello, good evening, everyone. We are here. We are live today.
So in this session we have Kartik sir.
Hello, everyone. And hopefully, okay, there are 26 participants joined. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, just wait 1 to 2 minutes for others.
Okay, so till then, can you please tell in which year you are? Like in which college? What are the things you are pursuing? So,
Hello, hello, hello.
hmm. Hello, Farah. Hello, Suresh. Hello, Tanvi. Hello, Akash. Hello. Hello, Kartik. Thank you so much, Sai. You please talk louder. Okay. 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 Tanvi, final year student from Institute of Technology in the okay. Second year, University Kolkata. आवाज धीरे आ रही है क्या? Okay.
I guess.
मैंने okay. Let's check. Okay, यहाँ पर रखते हैं mic को. Third year, we can okay. Shivam Sharma. Oh, Shivam is also here. Hello, bhai. Third year, okay. Okay, so can we start?
Yeah, so just let us know that we can start now.
Yeah, we can start. So, hello everyone. First, I will start with my introduction. ऐसा कोई formal PPT वगैरह नहीं है. There is no PPT. It's a informal conversation between you and us. So myself, Kartik Agarwaal. I am a final year student from VIT Vellore, and recently I got opportunity to intern as a software engineer in Microsoft Hyderabad campus. And there I worked, and the whole team liked my work, and they liked the energy that I bring to them. So they gave me the chance for the pre-placement offer, and that I cracked. And apart from that, I also like when I was not get the PPO, I participated in the placements, and I got the opportunity to reach the final round for Google as a software engineer role. So okay, so there are two things like how I reached to the final, how I made to the Microsoft first, which I made to the, I got the PPO. So first thing is the CV of the person. So we are here, so we can improve your CV. We have collected some of your CVs, and we can check your CV, and we can give some like improvements, we give some tips. So how can you make your CV shortlist in the companies like Microsoft, Google, Adobe, and all the things. Okay. So, okay. So, hello. Okay. Shreya, Weber, clashing. Okay. So, let me share a screen and we can now proceed for the by looking some of the CVs that we collected. Okay. It's saying some settings. Okay. Let me check. Give me a minute. Later. Let me check. Share screen. We can share the screen now. Also share the window. Okay. We share the window. Is my window visible? Can you please check? Okay, no. Yeah, it's visible now. So these were the some responses that we collected for the CVs, and there were some questions. We will jump to the questions later. So I guess our uh, screen is not visible to everyone. Can you please check? Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah, it is visible. It is visible.
Okay, sure, sure. So these were some CVs that we get, and these were the names of some of the frequently asked questions. We will jump to the questions later. So we will see random CVs of some people. Like let's check for first for Tanvi Sharma. Okay. So this is the CV of Tanvi Sharma, and it's looking pretty decent to me. And she has given the education. Okay, internships she has done in software developer role, freelance work assistant, artificial intelligence intern, then project section, okay, Amazon tools, sales analytics, okay, sign emotes, and skills certification achievements. Okay, first we will see that in this CV, this is the content in this CV is actually good. It's pretty good and it's pretty manageable. But the thing is, the main thing is, it's not that what happening is in the industry. They are shortlisting the CV temp which are in the Fang overleaf template. That there is something called let me share share to you. There is something called Fang overleaf template. It's an There's a website called Overleaf, which we can create our own CV, and you can see the template here. So we can get the first name and last name here. We can get the number, location, contact, LinkedIn, and the website, and we can add the things like here. So let me open this first for you. Like if someone is not familiar with Overleaf, so how can you make it in that? So for you can imagine, you can simply think of from the name only, like Fang. Fang are the companies which like Facebook, Adobe, Netflix, and all the things. Like top-notch companies, top big companies. Okay. Then Overleaf. Overleaf is the name of the software. Template is the CV template. Okay. So you can remember the name like that. So if you click on the technical skills, suppose I'm double clicking on technical skills, you can get the you can if you change something like I can write Kartik here. Okay. Okay, so when I recompile it, you can see that it's automatically changing. Okay, so similarly, you can make the changes here. This is the standard template that industry is currently using. And I have mentored around, I guess you can say 50 plus people, and two of them are got shortlisted for the Google for the software engineer role, and in Microsoft as a software engineer intern role. So I suggested them the same CV, and that they got selected for that opportunity. So you can use that standard template. Okay, first thing is that, and second thing is she has mentioned the whole Gmail URL. Okay, so what can you do? Like the Gmail URL and LinkedIn slash Tanvi Sharma 31 or GitHub Tanvi Sharma 31. Don't do that. Okay, just write. You have to do. like you have to just visible LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn should be visible only, and then if you click on the LinkedIn button, you can redirect on the LinkedIn. Okay, so suppose if you are clicking on this, you are redirecting to the LinkedIn, but it's showing LinkedIn slash Tanvi Sharma 31. It should not, it should be not like this. It should be like simply LinkedIn. Okay, with a logo plus LinkedIn button. Okay, you can do like this. So then she has written the, okay, education. Okay, that's good. Internships. Okay, she has written that developed and optimized key features of our internal automation software and efficiency by 30%. Okay, so she has written actually good. She has written point wise things, point wise. Okay, but one thing, what she can do here, like she has written improving the process efficiency by 30%. She can make it highlight, she can bold the text here. So recruiter, because recruit, in the big industry, when this was screening CV screening round, the recruiter shortlists the CV within 5 seconds. They slides, like if you have used any websites or in the right swipe, left swipe. Okay, they just left swipe in 5 seconds. Okay, so she has to, what she can do, she can make the this text bold here. So the recruiter can look at the, you can say, the percentage, the influency, the efficiency she has made, the numbers. Okay, the numbers. So like she has mentioned, she has bold the NLP here, NLP models, and she has actually did pretty decent here. But she can bold also 97 accuracy. So actually in projects or in internships for artificial intelligence, there are some numbers, ML model or AI model. There are some numbers, accuracy model, precision accuracy. So there are some numbers. So she can highlight that. So it can give a good impact to the recruiter. Okay. So then, okay, so things are now pretty good. The CV is pretty nice to me, but just she has to make some changes and make the CV should look standard here. Okay, so she can do like that. Yeah, otherwise it's pretty good. This CV is pretty good. So we can jump on to another CV. Okay, so then we will look about where are we. Yeah, I am talking about this template only. This is the template, farm overleaf template. This is actually a very good template that personally recruiters uh, want. Okay, so she can improve the same thing that I told, LinkedIn, only LinkedIn here. Like if we click on the LinkedIn, the recruiter can directly jump on the LinkedIn. She must just LinkedIn, not the whole domain. Okay, whole domain name. And summary. Okay, she has written the summary also. You can also do like this. So like highly motivated computer science engineering. Okay, make it little short. Okay, little short, like only one line, maximum 50 words. Okay, summary for 50 words, make it like that. And experience she have maintained, and same leveraging Python. She can highlight the CNN. Okay, here. And it's the 40% 40% accuracy, which is the 40% accuracy which she has written here. She can bold that. Okay, and in the project section she has just okay, so what the thing she can improve in the project section. Okay, let's talk about that. So suppose you have made a project. Okay, suppose you have made a project. Suppose we are taking a example of like food delivery app. Okay, you have just make a food delivery app as a project, in which you are using a dynamic APIs of the Swiggy. Okay, you have created all the things like shimmer UI. Okay, add to card option, order option. You have added and you are using the dynamic APIs of the Swiggy directly. So what you can do extra here, like you have to stand out while in the CV. You have to stand out from the crowd. Okay, to get shortlisted. So what can she do? Like she had mentioned all the things like dive areas and all the description she had given. Okay, so what she can do, she can add the GitHub link of that. Okay, so when she has written the tech stack, the Python and CNN, she can add the GitHub link here. uh, After that, or in which it will, if the recruiter click on the GitHub, it directly jump to the GitHub repository. Okay, or what she can do extra here, apart from GitHub repository, what she can do extra. Suppose you have made a project. Okay, you can screen record it. You can screen record the whole project. you can explain the whole project by some words. Okay, you have just like running some models and explaining whole the thing, what algorithm you have used, either a decision tree algorithm, and all the things you can explain. And you can post that screen recording by adding some music, background music, you can add some editing, and you can post it on your LinkedIn. Okay, write a, you can, like you can add a very, you can say, like you can show to your audience, like you have already listened build in public, the term called build in public. So you can follow that approach. Okay, you can screen record it, add some background music, write a LinkedIn post, you can add the features what you have implemented apart from the crowd. Okay, आप इतना कर लिया, then उसको post कर दिया LinkedIn पे. Then you get like your connections that you have got, or the HR. Some, in some cases HR will also, if HR also saw that video or a post, so it will also create a great impact. And you can add the, like you can add the demo after the GitHub in the CV, after the GitHub section, you can add the demo link, and with that demo link we redirect to the that LinkedIn post. Okay, सो उसमें पता लगेगा अच्छा ये बंदा बिल्ड इन पब्लिक भी करता है, तो उसका और मतलब उसको और प्रायोरिटी दी जाएगी. ठीक है, तो यू कैन डू दैट ऑल्सो. इसमें this thing will improve your LinkedIn network also, because we will talk about networking also, how networking helped me, that actually I think that give me an extra edge from apart from the crowd, that made me to the Microsoft. Okay, so उसकी हम बात बाद में करेंगे अभी. तो ठीक है, तो ये सब हो गया. तो सेम चीज़ हम यहाँ पे भी कर सकते हैं कि हमने इसको स्क्रीन रिकॉर्ड कर, गिटअप लिंक तो डाला, स्क्रीन रिकॉर्ड करा, पोस्ट डाली, उससे हमारा लिंक्डइन नेटवर्क भी अच्छा हुआ, एंड हमारा उस पर भी डेमो भी चला गया. ठीक है. And skill section, she can, okay, she had added languages and developer tools. And you can also add the soft skills, like the teamwork or team management and all the things. Okay, you can add that. Okay, so leadership and extracurricular she had added, and certification and training. I would say that you, if the certification is not like AWS or something unique, don't add the certifications. Avoid adding certification. Instead of certification, add a project. Okay, so personally I don't prefer the two things to be added in the CV. First is the coursework, second is the certifications and training. Okay, avoid these two things. I personally avoid it. Instead of that, I add a experience or a extracurricular, a position or responsibility, or a project. Okay, I can give some or more detail of the project. Okay, so what extra she can do here is, like this all things are little taking some extra space. She can reduce the space and add some more projects, or add some extra, you can say, extra words here. Okay, so this is pretty good CV. These are the things we can do. And we can look upon some more CV.
Sir, just 1 second.
Okay,
Yeah, so means ask their name and yeah, so maybe Abhishek Sharma, search the means search Abhishek Sharma CV and means show their mistake, that what
Abhishek
is the
Sharma.
mistake in
Okay,
his resume. Yeah,
Abhishek Sharma. Okay, this one.
if anyone wants to means show your mistake, na, then just
Okay,
yeah, Parojita Mukherjee. Yeah, Abhishek Verma. Okay.
first we will look about Abhishek. Is it the one? No? Abhishek, can you please?
Abhishek, can you please let us know that is it correct? Abhishek.
We already see that vulnerability. After 10 long attempt, it will reset UTP, and after 5 long listen, we
Abhishek, where are you going?
Abhishek Verma.
Kartik.
Okay, let's.
Yeah, let's. Yes,
Is it the one? No?
Abhishek.
Okay. Okay, let's do this. So first thing is, like avoid adding your picture in your CV. Okay, that time era is gone. When you add some pictures in your CV, that time is gone. Okay, so avoid that thing. And you can follow the this template that I told you, farm overleaf template here. Okay, follow that only. Okay, don't add. This is the, like, recruiters are personally avoiding the templates which are bits divided into two parts. Okay, use only single line template. I would say that farm overleaf template is the best. Okay, do that. Okay, so you have ended work experience here. Okay, in the tech. So Abhishek, what you can do extra here, that you have written a whole description. Okay, so you can add some points. Like recruiters are just saying your CV for the 5 seconds. Okay, you can just add the things in points and make the highlighted section bold. Okay, like he's in fourth semester. Okay, it's fourth semester. It's pretty good. You can improve after that. Okay, so he has already interchala student partner program. Okay, no problem. So but just you can follow that farm overleaf template. Okay, add the whole description in some points, and you can add some project. Yeah, you have not added any projects here. You can make some project. You can participate in hackathons. Actually, you should participate in a lot of hackathons. In my college, like in my not first year, in second year and third year, I participated in more than 50 plus hackathons. I also won some free hackathons in my college also. And you can do that. Actually participating in hackathons is pretty good. And what's the second name, Adil?
It's case Akshay. Case
Yes.
Akshay. Just wait, I am
Okay.
sharing you. Yes, case Akshay.
Yes, sure. Okay, this one.
Yes.
Okay, if like there are many series, and if you really want that, you can, like you want to मतलब मेरे से check करवाना है CV, तो you can reach me to the LinkedIn also if you want actually after the session. So the same thing I would repeat, that farm overleaf template इसमें use कर लेना, ठीक है, and the email वाला thing, that don't write the whole domain and just write the LinkedIn, and it should react all to the things. Objective should be small. Okay, don't like write the whole big paragraph. Only 50 words is enough for the objective. Skills, okay, skills you have added, it's good. Divide into parts, like in a farm overlay template you can see technical skills, soft skills, and the tools, frameworks that you can add. So work experience we can talk about. Work Software engineering fellow, okay, had start AI, designing or developing responsive website and softwares. Okay, okay. So let us talk about this. So Head Start AI. Okay, you have worked in Head Start AI as a software engineer fellow, and you have written the description like designing and developing responsive websites and software. Okay, don't simply do that. Okay, that's the basic thing. Okay, everybody can do this. Everybody can write. Okay, I was a front end developer in my internship, and I designed the front end design for them. Don't do it like that. What's the impact that you made? Okay, write the thing, that what impact that you made. So you can be specific. I worked on the, like, I worked on the Redux hook. Okay, I implemented the RTK Redux toolkit here in my startup. Okay, so you can be specific here, and you improve the, like, the pager. You have improved the efficiency of the home page. You have improved the efficiency, precision of the, you can say, landing page and all the things. You can be specific here. So what's the impact that you made that makes you stand out from the crowd? Okay, add that thing here. Don't simply write, say, front end and all the things. Okay, DSA with other Java and web development training apna college. Okay, that's good. We this don't use, okay, don't add this. Avoid certifications here. Okay, please avoid certifications. I'm repeating. So emerging technologies, these are all the certifications. You can avoid that, and instead of that you can add some projects and make stand out from the crowd. Okay, so volunteering, okay, you have added this. You can also avoid this. Okay, so for education, okay, so you can add the most specific here. So what are the things you have done, and you have not added the projects. Okay, so you can add that and avoid certifications. Totally avoid certification, I would say. Okay, and like another one.
Sir, Valli is waiting for his chance.
Okay,
Yes.
we can. Okay, well, for resume panel. Okay.
Valli, now it's
Okay.
your chance. Just
Okay.
check.
So this is the provide. First thing is farm overleaf template. Second is contact that you can add there in the top, in the farm overleaf template only. Education, the same. Okay, this is good. Languages, yeah, you can add languages. Okay, Kannada, ठीक है. तो add कर देते हैं इसको भी. you should add a languages thing if you want. Like there's some specific, like इधर हिंदी इंग्लिश है तो तुम मत करना है, अगर तू स्पेसिफिक है कोई, ठीक है, तो you can add that. Profile summary, you can make it like yeah, you have written GP of 9.1. Okay, that's actually good. तो इतनी मेरी नहीं आई थी. तो प्रोफाइल समरी, तो प्रोफाइल समरी हम करेंगे, वी कैन मेक द प्रोफाइल समरी इन 50 वर्ड्स. एक्सपीरियंस स्टूडेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर वॉलंटियर, student placement coordinator volunteer. Okay, so it's actually not like you have added the things, but it's not in the sense, you can say it's not like you can say like it's not, क्या कह सकते हैं इसको, थोड़ा उसको हम ये उसमें नहीं है, मतलब फॉर्मेट में नहीं है इसको, ठीक है. हम उसको और स्पेसिफिक हो सकते हैं कि हमने स्टूडेंट प्लेसमेंट, हमने प्लेसमेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर थे या क्या थे, हमने क्या इम्पैक्ट डाला वहाँ पे. Okay, so we can add that thing. And skills
What
we can
is the
divide in the
experience also?
technical skills here, soft skills, we divide the things, technical skills, the frameworks, the soft skills. Okay, and you can add some projects, like don't hesitate to participate in hackathons. Okay, so if, I was a time that when I participated in the first hackathon, I was not aware of the what is the API, to be very honest, and I was in my third sem. So I was like feeling like dumb. That's imposter syndrome, you can say. So, so that, but that's not the thing. Okay, you should participate in
Yes,
the hackathon.
now it is Pushba Shri.
Okay,
Just search Pushba Shri. Yes.
Okay, you can Pushpa. Okay, this one, no?
Yeah.
Okay, we can do that thing. Okay, this is like, okay, this is the first thing. First thing is make it a one-pager resume. Okay, this is the first in this video, in this like stream, we are getting the first two-pager resume. Okay, make it a single page. Follow that only template and do make it a one-pager. Avoid photo. Okay, and you can add this thing in the that. Click over here. Oh, sorry. Don't save. Okay, education she has written 7.3 GPA. ये उससे मैट हो जाएगा. Make the objective, this is the profile in 50 words. Okay, skills, technical skills. Okay, she has written the languages, concepts, and other skills. This is pretty good, and we have to make it like little sorted, in a sorted way. Okay, they're like technical skills. You have written data structures, you can, this is also part of technical skills. So introduction to networks, you can write computer networks, you don't write introduction to networks here. And one more thing, you should avoid coursework. If I have not tell you till now, if, avoid coursework in your CV. Okay, but many people have write coursework in the CV. Don't write that. Okay, you can, apart from that, if you are skilled on a particular technology, like computer networks, or DBMS, or you can say OS, so you can add that thing here. Soft skills, excellent communication, adaptability, creative. Okay, she add in a formatted way that you can see my CV if it's available on LinkedIn. I am, you can follow that actually. Let me
Yeah, now
share my
it's time to
CV
see
also.
Kartik sir's CV.
Okay, so this is my LinkedIn profile, and I have made it public. My CV is public. So this is my, in the featured section, you can see. So okay, so I have hidden the now, as I don't require some CV to get be shortlisted from the HR. So I hidden this, make it hidden. So this is the first is name. Okay, so I have write the Gmail here, LinkedIn, lead code, GitHub, GFT practice. Okay, so I have not written the whole domain here. I have just written the LinkedIn, and if you click on this, you can directly jump on my LinkedIn. If you click on the lead code profile, it will directly jump on the lead code profile. GitHub directly jump on the lead. Okay, so programming skills, then it will come here. Okay, so these are the I have divided the skill section into parts. Okay, so first is programming skills, second is tools and the frameworks you can add, and the soft skills. Okay, so this is the experience that I have added here. So I have also added, like I have also made a mistake. Okay, I have not highlighted that. I was telling you, I have not highlighted that thing, like Diamond 365 project of power operations and all the things. Okay, so you can add the highlights here. So these are the projects. So as I told you that don't add that only GitHub URL. Okay, I have added video demo. I have this will link to the if you click on this. Okay, if it's okay, if I'm clicking on this, where is if I clicking on the video demo, it will directly jump up on the LinkedIn post that I posted on LinkedIn. So the recruiter can also see the demo of my project. Okay, so this is the thing, and this is the achievements I have added. Like I have won some hackathons in my college, so I have highlighted that thing. VIT Yantra Hack, VIT InnoVentures, VIT Dalal Street. This is the, like you can say, stock market prediction hackathon here. Okay, so position of responsibility, I was a part of Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, and team of switching. So I have added it. I have added that thing also. So you can follow this stuff. Okay, you can take a reference of my CV. I have also followed the Fang overleaf template. Okay, so you can follow that. And this CV got shortlisted for the, like I made from this CV I got selected for the Google final round. Okay, so you can follow that. Okay, this actually works. So okay, so
Uh,
you can
and
include that.
if you want to check the CV, then just see the pinned comment. Okay, I have pinned Sir's
Okay.
LinkedIn profile. Okay, just go and follow him also. Okay.
Yeah, that's actually I'm very
Yes.
active on LinkedIn. So if you want,
Yeah, and
if you
you can
say
also.
that
Yes.
if you say that you are on the stream and you want to check you can review your CV, so I can review that. Okay, so the projects she has added. Okay, so I would say that do the same thing. Okay, make some points and add the, like you have added online food ordering system. Okay, so you have written that you have created a user friendly, efficient, reliable platform. Okay, every recruiters know. Okay, so from the online food ordering system, PHP and React, using you have created a front end and then a back end APIs you are calling. Okay, everybody knows. But what extra you have done? Like you can add the Shimmer UI or Error 404 page, or you have improved the through Redux toolkit. Okay, that thing you can add and make it highlight in your CV. So volunteer experience. Okay, that's actually good. I would say add more projects here and make the CV more, like you can say, standard in a standard way, Fang overleaf tablet, and is pretty good to go. So you can do that. Okay, so I guess anybody
Yes,
else?
it is Parojita Mukherjee. Just means he is totally
Yes.
messaging Parojita Mukherjee.
Can you spell the
And
name?
yeah, Parojita.
Paro. Okay, I got it.
Yes, Parojita Mukherjee.
Okay, same thing, same thing. Career objective, she has added a little short. Make it more short. Okay, make it under 50 words. Work experience, Google Arctic Facilitator. Okay, that's actually good. Facilitators internship, Google Arcade Facilitators. They actually got good program. And campus ambassador. Okay, that she has run. Metacraft, TechFest ID Bombay. Okay, okay, that's actually good. Education, make okay training and certification skills. Okay, so first make it more, I can say, oh, in a one pager, make it in a Fang overleaf template. And she had added also additional detail. I completed my first semester. And okay, don't add this. Okay, avoid this. Instead of this, you can add some projects. You can create some project. Okay, I would say that how my projects got, like my projects are pretty different from the others. If you can see, where's my CV actually gone? Okay, I can show here. So you can see Reader Doc Cross NFT. Okay, this is not a like simple project. Okay, this is a project that I have created in my hackathon, which I have won in my college. Okay, so we have created actually I was a like UI UX at that time. I was a UI UX developer simply and a front end developer. Don't have a knowledge about back end developer, and we have created the NFTs. Actually, we have created actually NFTs in our project. Okay, so that thing we have added because one of my friend was a blockchain developer. He has written some solidity codes. One of my friend was a backend developer. I was a UI UX and a front end developer. So we three integrated. we make a team and we participated in a hackathon, and we created a project there only. Okay, so and if the person will see my video demo, he will got impressed, totally impressed. You can also see that. Okay, like if my audio visible, this is the okay. So like you can check later also. Please to check it. Okay, check it once. And this is not a simple project. Okay, that's totally different. You will see in no one's CV. We actually, what I can give the overview of this project. Actually, we have created a game, okay, card game. So you have in your childhood you have played a Pokemon card game or a cricket card game. Okay, we have created NFTs. Okay, you know about NFTs. We have created some NFTs card of a theme called Pirates. Okay, so we have created that project, and we have made some concepts. Like if you add two NFT simple NFT cards, it will the level will upgrade and the card will look little enhanced. Okay, and if you can play a battle from there will be two guys and they will play battle and with their cards. Okay, so we added some animations there, like two cards are fighting and they are, so you can add these things. Okay, so participate in hackathons, you will get a lot of ideas what others are building, and from that thing you can create your own idea and you can implement that. So participate in hackathons, a lot of hackathons. So in this CV also I will say that okay, so project she have added, working on making a group project, yours uses template. Okay, this is a good project you can add, but I would say that participate in hackathons, see what others are building. Okay, and contribute that and make a team that जैसे मैंने टीम बनाई थी. I am a UI UX designer, front end developer. Other is a back end developer. Other is a AML developer. Other is a blockchain developer. Okay, do that thing. It will create the little efforts will create a huge impact. Okay, so you can do that. So this is the thing you can add. Okay, additional details here. Avoid additional
Yeah,
details thing.
and so one question is here that which platform is the best for creating our resume?
I already told you that there is something called Fang overleaf template. You can Google it. Okay, so I have Googled Fang overleaf template. You can see. Okay, it's visible. Fang overleaf template, Fang path simple template. Okay, I would open as a template, and you can some edit changes here. Like there's some code. Okay, that's a simple code you can add. You don't have to understand the whole code. You just need to make some changes according to you. So how can you make some changes? I can show you again. Like suppose you want to that there's something called technical skills written here. So you can double click on this. You can directly jump upon the technical skills that already written. You can make some changes. Suppose I want to write Kartik here, so I can write Kartik here. So when I recompile it, it will automatically, you can see that Kartik is written here. Okay, so you can copy paste the things. You don't need to understand the whole code. Okay, just need to copy paste the things and make your own CV. And this is the best platform I would suggest everyone to build your CV. So you can do that, and you can add like hyperlinks here that you can see. Let's suppose I am clicking on, you can see that contact, how it's written, contact at the rate foundpath.com. Okay, so you can add that thing. Like he has written, if you can see here, that he has written href https linkedin.com company foundpath. So you can add that thing from here. Okay, so you can use this and build your own CV. Okay, so if it's work, I'm also participating in MS. Okay, that's good.
Sir,
SIH.
now just check my CV also.
Okay, so can you share that
Yeah, I have shared it in the drive.
on the drive only? Okay,
Yes.
so your CV. Okay, Adil.
Yeah, double. Yes, sir.
Okay, experience. Oh, there's a lot of experience here. That's pretty good. Okay, so education, skills, project. Okay, so Adil, first you have to make a like a one-pager CV.
Yeah.
Follow the Fang overleaf template. Two things.
Mm.
Okay, and like you have written, okay, this is the pretty good that you have written only LinkedIn, GitHub, HackerRank. You have not written the full domain. It's actually good.
Mm.
Avoid, you can avoid like writing if you want to save the space. Like you have number of projects, you have a lot of space. You can avoid 10th or 12th marks. Okay, You can add directly your like your college and your
CGPA
CGPA.
in the college. Yeah.
Yeah, you can add directly that. Okay, some experience. Okay, so okay, that's actually a lot of experience. Recruiter will, if the recruiter will see this, he will get shocked.
Oh my
So
God.
so okay, so let's make it some, like you can say, तो मेन है सिर्फ उसको ऐड करना, ठीक है, लाइक यू हैव
Yeah.
एडेड Oswald Books field intern. Oswald Books is a big name. Okay, so you can add
Hmm.
that Microsoft MLSA. You can add Geeks for Geeks, Coding Ninjas. You can add that, and you can avoid like Bharat intern. Okay, and one more thing, we have,
Yeah.
like in the LinkedIn, you have already seen some things like the people are boycotting course or Bharat intern companies. Okay, they are taking some money and they are giving you
Yeah.
some paid internships. Avoid that
Yes.
thing. Okay, so avoid that internships personally, and some projects open source. Okay, that's actually good. So other what you can do, that you have written to do task. Okay, quizify, be practical. Okay, you can add the impact here. Okay, so that from the to do task we can see that, okay, you have created a to do task manager. Okay, so but how can you differentiate from others, like there are a lot of to do task projects already going on in the market. So how
Yes.
did you differentiate here? So you can add, like you can simply use Firebase also, है ना? So you can add Firebase, you can add authentication authorization, you can add a storage here. Okay, so you can add that thing. So that's it will create a differentiator from the others. Like Quizify, that you have created some quiz website. I can already know from the name of the project what's the project is doing. Okay, so add that thing, like what impact that you make, that what how your project is making, like stand out from the crowd. Okay, be doubly practical. Okay, this is the one that crafted for fellow students, my be practical website, virtual lab. Okay, I created a virtual lab. That's actually good, and you can add that you have this. I guess this is a GitHub link.
Yes, sir.
Am I
No,
right?
sir. It is a live link. Means if
Okay, no problem. So
I
you
guess
can
it
add
is.
your GitHub link here. So you can add
Yes.
separate GitHub link, live link, and the demo link. So suppose your most of the times your project will not work. It happens most of the times.
Mm-hmm.
So what you can do, you can add the demo link here. So if your project is not working, the recruiter can see the demo of the project.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can add that thing, personal portfolio showcase. That's actually good. Just add the things what you have made. You have what how your project is stand out from the crowd, making it stand out from
Yes,
the crowd.
sir. From the
Okay,
common thing.
from the common. Yes. Certifications. Okay, you have added the certifications here. Okay, if I would say that make a, like you can say a big project. Like you have a 23. Okay, 2023. You are in the second year, I guess. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
From
Second year.
okay, so you can now what you can do, like you can participate in hackathons. Okay, so you know about front end, so you are doing HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Jump on React and Next.js. Okay, and learn that thing and participate in hackathons there, and find the guys who know backend, find the guys who
Okay.
know AI/ML, so blockchain. So you can collaborate together and make a big project. Okay,
Yes.
add that thing. Don't think that I have only participated as a front end developer in the
Yes.
hackathon, so should I add it or not? Add it. Okay, don't think a lot, add it just. Okay, so honor and rewards, third prize in, okay, seminar and top CA of the type. Highlight this thing. Okay, so you have to make it highlight. Okay, don't add. I would say that avoid certifications. Okay,
Yes, sir.
if the certification is pretty like you can say it's making a मतलब stand out from the crowd, like AWS is the certification basis making make some students stand out from the crowd. Okay, so you can add that thing, otherwise it's pretty good. Okay, just you have to do some formatting. Okay,
Yes, I really.
you have to make some like choose top three, add that only. And all, don't write just TechX Ninja founder. Okay, actually writing a founder thing is actually make it pretty cool in the CV. Like I have also
Okay.
written that in my like after completing the 12th, I have also started up five times. Okay, in the college, so I have
Okay.
also
Five
written.
times.
Okay, So I pitched in front of the investors and started up 5 times and make some money also. So I have also written in the achievement section. So I have also written there. Okay, so you can, if you're writing founder, add that thing. That's actually makes you stand out from the crowd. Pretty good. So okay, so you can do that. I would say that I would advise you that learn React, Next.js, and some like from the Next.js you will also get to know about authentication authorizations part, and you can also learn about like you can learn about Firebase also. That will easily get to know how to you can implement authorization authentication in bit code. Okay, little bit code, so you can pretty good to go. Oh, okay, that's thing. Okay, so now we will talk about
Yes,
okay,
now
that's 7:47. Now we will talk about the networking thing. Okay, so how networking thing is important. So you can see already see that on my LinkedIn that
sir,
Adil
just
has.
1 second.
Mhm,
Means in the form, na, I have received some questions that means a
mhm,
common question that
mhm.
what experiences do you think are the most critical to highlight for tech roles in big companies like Amazon, Microsoft, or Google?
I didn't get the question. Can you please?
Uh, what or which type of experience do
Mhm.
you think are the most critical or the most demanding in this time to
In this
highlight
time.
to highlight the particular and achieve the tech roles in big companies?
So are you talking about the like in the industries while working in the industry or for get
uh,
shortlisted for the industry?
got shortlisted and got
Okay,
placement.
like okay, so I would say that experience in the sense we can add like if you have already done some you can say internship in a startups. Okay,
Yes.
not you can think like companies are preferring some offline internship if you have added like in your summer breaks they are 20 and like in college we got 8 weeks holidays or something like that. Okay, so if you are doing internship offline internships there and you have made like you have interned as a AIML developer. Okay, you have or a backend developer. You have implemented some great changes there. Okay, so in the resume, suppose you are working on a particular industry. Okay, and you have worked there, but you have not added that much, that much thing in your CV. So how the recruiter will know? So what impact that you made in the industry? Okay, so it's important that you have to add that things, the add the numbers, and on which particular pitch part you have worked on your in the industry. Okay, so suppose I have worked on the in the Microsoft. Okay, so I have added work under AI ERP team. I have added the team power operations designing and implemented with plugins with to integrate with Microsoft Copilot. So the recruiter will know. Okay, so the particular person have worked on the creating some backend plugins and implementing integrated with Microsoft Copilot. Okay, so that's actually made a standard from the crowd. Okay, so you can add that thing. So suppose I would say that work on if you are that if you are in second year or third year, it's difficult to get an internship. So prefer to get an internship in a startup in a like you can check the background first, check the background of the startup. It should be not be like Codesoft or the Bharat intern, and then go to that company. Okay, go to that company, work, matlab, try to take some responsibilities. Like if they like if we join some new area, we get some hesitation first. Okay, try to get some responsibilities there, try to understand what people are doing there apart from your work, what other people are doing there, try to like I say contribute in that in their work also. Like you can go in the code reviews and the UI UX if you know some knowledge. Like apart from in my Microsoft journey, I also participated in apart from my work, I also participated in others work also. Like there was some UI UX discussion going on and I was quite familiar with that topic, so I also contributed with them in that talk. So you can add that thing, and in the then after the completing your internship. Okay, so you can add the like what's the impact that you made in the okay in the industry. So you can add that thing, so that will make they make you stand out from the crowd. And the projects that as I told you that leader data across NFT that I built for my CV. So you can make a similar project that it's not there in other CV also. Like some have created just they could say simple projects. Okay, don't do that. Don't add that thing. You can build that project for your understanding, for your learnings. Okay, don't do that. You can create that project data like me data dot cross NFT, and you can add that in your CV. So it will show that okay, this is the new thing that I'm seeing, and it will stand out in the crowd. Okay, so there will be high chances for a shortlisting for the in the particular domain. And one more thing that you can see, that first then the thing comes networking there. Okay, so suppose I'm seeing that for the, I would say, off campus opportunities and the on campus opportunities, referrals are very important in today's world. Okay, so what you can do, if many of the folks are in second year here or a first year here. Okay, so what they can do here, so you can create you can optimize your LinkedIn profile. Like there is some Chrome extension called Career Flow. So you can get to know about your LinkedIn profile. So how much LinkedIn profile is your optimized. Okay, you can increase the score of the LinkedIn optimization, and you can build your LinkedIn profile pretty good. Okay, so and next step is you can use GPT here. Okay, so how can you use GPT? So suppose you are a first year student. So how I approach, like in I am you can see that I have 28,000 followers on my LinkedIn. So I am very active on LinkedIn from the first year only. Okay, so how I did is, like, I used there was not GPT. I was using Grammarly there. I was writing that I am approaching industry experts there who are working in the industry, like Microsoft, Google, Adobe. So how I approaching this? So suppose I was in first year, so I am approaching like, hello, myself Kartik Agarwal, and I am a first year student from VIT Bangalore, and I am pretty interested in front end and the UI UX design, and I want to like, my dream aim is to crack farm companies, and you have already did that. So it would be better, so we can connect and you can give me a little bit guidance, so I can follow that path or for your footsteps. So we can do that. I can do that. So actually, if you do that, so suppose you are sending a LinkedIn request to a person who is working in the industry, and you have this by sending a request, you have seen some option like add a note there. You can create a short note of 3,000 like 300 words tokens there. You can create a simple introduction of yourself. You can copy paste the things to the people. Okay, and you can send the request there. If I would say that if the person saw your request, okay, some I saw some people after joining a company, they didn't get time to be active on LinkedIn, but some of the folks are active, totally active on LinkedIn. So if the person see that okay, this is the request which I'm getting, or he's in first year and he's active from the first year only. Okay, so he will definitely accept your request. It's a 90% chance that he will accept your request, and this will create a, like, it's a future asset for you. Like if when you participate in placements or internship season, so getting a referral is very important. Like it's make you stand out from the crowd. Okay, so the because I know, so for giving a referral for a particular candidate in a particular company, the candidate the we have to write a small paragraph for the candidate. Okay, so we can't directly give a this referral to a particular candidate. We have to write a first short paragraph for that. Okay, I know this guy from the 2 years, and he's doing pretty good, and he has done this much questions, and he has made a good progress. So I guess he's fit for our company. So you can think that referral how much important, कितने important होते हैं इसमें. तो उसके लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. अब मैं अपनी स्टोरी बताता हूँ. लाइक यू कैन सी, like how you can do, like if I search Microsoft there. Okay, so suppose I'm search करता हूँ Microsoft. This is my LinkedIn, and you can see that 3,169 connections work here.
Oh
So
wow,
I have made
3,000
such
plus.
I have made such big connections. This is not only Microsoft. If I search Google, it's around 500 plus connections they work there. It's with Adobe. And it's not because I am in Microsoft. It's not because I have, like, I was pretty active from the first year only. I am just sending the LinkedIn request, okay, connection request, okay. So don't hesitate. Like if you are new to a particular platform, so and the other person is like working in a big industry, he's at that level and you are at that level, so it is not possible that this guy will approach you, okay. You have to approach that guy who is working in the industry.
Yes, that's
So
true.
that's that's actually work. We have to do that thing only. We have to be like, ऐसा होता है कि हमें बेशरम बनना होता है, ठीक है हमारी उसमें तो अगर तुम्हारा काम बन रहा है तो तुम बेशरम हो जाओ वहां पे, ठीक है,
हाँ,
कोई दिक्कत
प्लेसमेंट
नहीं है।
लेने के लिए बेशरम।
तो मतलब बेशरम ऐसे मत होना कि भैया प्लीज 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 करके मैसेज करो, उसमें करना है फॉर्मल फॉर्मल वे में होना बेशरम, ठीक है। तो अंदर मतलब कह रहा हूँ सबको कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट भेजो, सत्या नडेला को भी भेज दो, क्या पता वो भी एक्सेप्ट कर ले गलती से। ठीक है।
I have sent a request to Bill Gates, but he is not accepted yet.
तो क्या पता उससे हो जाए, कि कभी कभार हो
वही
जाती है,
तो।
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। लाइक आई एम ऑल्सो कनेक्टेड टू मैनी फाउंडर्स विच हैव ऑलरेडी फीचर्ड ऑन शार्क टैंक इंडिया।
Okay.
सो ऐसा होता है कि लोग कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, काफ़ी एक्टिव है लोग लिंक्डइन पे। एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट माइन, तो जब मैंने सेकेंड ईयर कंप्लीट करा था, in my PT when I jumped to the third year, the next day Microsoft आई थी कंपनी हमारे कॉलेज में। तो first we get a Google form there, okay, so we have to fill the Google form for the like application, okay. So when we filled the Google form, the next day at 12 p.m, okay, at 12 p.m we get a notification that you have to register on careers portal also. So careers portal पे हमें अप्लाई करना था, and we have only 12 hours, okay. The careers portal application was active for only 12 hours, like that's at 12 a.m, okay. So I have only time of 12 hours in between, okay. So I was thinking that okay, हम मेरे पे 12 hours का time है, तो if I have a lot of connections working in Microsoft, so should I try for referral, because I know, because if we have to apply on careers portal we can get referral, we can have a chance of getting a referral, okay. So I directly मतलब बेशरम बन गया। तो उस समय तो मैंने एक लिखा, मतलब अच्छा सा टेम्पलेट लिखा कि ओके, चैट जीपीटी से लिखवाया कि ओके आई एम इन सेकंड ईयर एंड दिस इज द जॉब लिंक एंड दिस इज द जॉब आईडी एंड दिस इज माय रिज्यूमे। एंड वन थिंग, रिज्यूमे का तुम्हें एक चीज़ बताऊंगा बाद में, ठीक है। तो दिस मैंने ऐसे करके एक बड़ा सा पैराग्राफ लिख दिया, एंड मैंने जितने भी कनेक्शन से वर्क कर रहे थे मैं सबको भेजा, ठीक है।
अच्छा, मीन्स कहीं पे करियर पोर्टल पे अप्लाई करके उस कंपनी के जो प्रोफेशनल हैं उनको एक बार मतलब मैसेज करने का कि हाँ मैं अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ, तो
थोड़ा
आपको
सा
अप्लाई
अगर
करने से
रेफर
पहले
हो
करना है, ये
अच्छा।
आपको अप्लाई करने से पहले करना है, ठीक है। रेफरल हमें बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे करते हैं कि अप्लाई करने के बाद रेफरल मांगते हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं करना। अप्लाई करने से पहले रेफरल होता है वो, ठीक है। जब तुम्हें रेफरल मिलता है तो उसके बाद तुम अप्लाई कर लो, ठीक है, वरना वो नॉर्मल एप्लीकेशन हो जाती है। तो आई बेशरम होके मैं भेजा, मैंने कनेक्शंस वगैरह, मतलब कि मैंने इतना क्वेश्चंस कर रखे हैं, दिस इज माय प्रोफाइल, आई हैव वॉन दिस मच हैकाथॉन्स हियर and I have this much followers on my LinkedIn, so can you please give me a referral if I am particular fit for your organization. And I have sent I have sent around 532 requests, okay, 532 to all the people, and उसमें से सिर्फ वो भी रात के मैंने अप्लाई करने वाला था रात के 11:30 बजे, आधा घंटा बचा था एप्लीकेशन ओवर होने के लिए। रात के 11:30 बजे मेरे पे रेफरल का ईमेल आता है कि ओके आई हैव रेफर्ड यू। सो तो समझ लो रेफरल तो इतना ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, ठीक है। सपोज पीपल क्या करते हैं, लोग क्या करते हैं कि या तो ऐसा होता है कि 15-20 लोगों को रीच आउट करा कि यार किसी का रेफरल रिप्लाई नहीं आता, भाई नहीं आता रिप्लाई, वो इतने ज़्यादा बिजी हैं। लाइक इट वाज अ वीक डे एंड लाइक आई वाज थिंकिंग दैट इट्स अ थर्सडे, एंड मेनली सारी कंपनी में थर्सडे को वो होता है, मतलब डिप्लॉयमेंट डे होता है। सो ऑल द फोक्स वर बिजी देयर, ऑल द प्रोग्रामर्स वर बिजी देयर, दे कांट सी माय रिक्वेस्ट फॉर द रेफरल। So you have to make a connection from the first day only, okay, for if it will act as your future asset. So follow that approach and do that thing, so you can get the referral here. And one more thing from the referral, which is the important thing. So suppose you have created your CV, okay, तुमने ATS score वगैरह check कर लिया, ठीक है, improve अपना CV वगैरह improve कर लिया by adding some keywords and checking the ATS score. तो आपको वो रिज्यूमे अपने गूगल ड्राइव पे अपलोड करना है पहले. So first upload your CV on the Google Drive, then copy the link of the CV. Okay, then when you are writing a paragraph there, okay, so you are writing a small introduction of yourself for the referral request. Add that LinkedIn link, Drive link there of the CV. Okay, so what happens, मैं ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? So suppose particular HR is working on in a big company and he has very less time. Okay, so जब आप normal PDF भेजते हो उनको, so first HR have to download it, then he has to verify it. Okay, then पहले उसको डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा, then वो उसकी सिस्टम में सेव होगा, तब वो खोलेगा उसका CV को. ऐसा होता है. अगर हम ड्राइव लिंक भेज देंगे डायरेक्ट, तो वो उस पर क्लिक करेगा, डायरेक्टली वो तुम्हारा ड्राइव लिंक पे वो सीधा नेक्स्ट विंडो में जाके खुल जाएगा. सो इट विल सेव टाइम. दिस इज द ट्रिक, स्मॉल ट्रिक. तो इट विल एक्ट एज अ स्मॉल ट्रिक. यू कैन डू दैट अप्रोच एंड चांसेस थोड़े बढ़ जाते हैं उसमें रेफरल मिलने के. तो वो चीज आप कर सकते हो उसमें. And some, if you have some questions, like there were some more questions also, no?
Yeah, and means some are saying that please check out my CV also.
Which one?
It is Farah. It is I guess Soft DevOps Suki. He's messaging. I guess he has messaged means more than 100 times. And
Okay.
sir, some are saying that please accept my connection request on
Okay,
LinkedIn.
I will accept that after this call. After this call will end, I will definitely accept your connection request. If I will not accept, please do ping me. Okay, मुझे पिंग कर देना, मैं एक्सेप्ट कर लूँगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. गूगल टॉप टैब ऐप सुकी, मैंने शायद इसका कर रखा है. इसका एक बार वो कर लेते हैं. रिज्यूमे कह रहा है बंदा. Okay, there's one more guy, Sai Sukrit. Okay, that's pretty good CV. Okay, that's actually good. So work experience he added, facilitator program. Okay, he has added worked on 80 sheets, 54 sites, 46 forms, apps, Apple sheets. Okay, that's actually good. Orchestrated bash shell basically. Okay, pretty good. This is the good CV. Like folks, you can see that's how he has written the things here. So he has done some summer internship training. Okay, he has implemented React.js. Okay, designed an award-winning website using Figma and Sketch, Task, Flutter, mobile application. Okay, pretty good stuff. और एक्सपीरियंस में हो गया इंटर्नशिप में वॉलंटियरिंग. ओके, डिफेंस, DRDO, फिर JP Morgan Chase, Cognizant Hyderabad. Oh, okay, remote internship. Education he has added, and okay, pretty good stuff. But one more thing you can add, like by adding the experience here, you have skipped the project section. So it would be better yet you can add the project sections here. At least 2 projects you can add. Okay, and you have that you have a lot of experience there. Okay, it's pretty good thing, but you have to what you can do, make this a fun pager resume with a little bit, so like there's a lot of content that you have provided there, and it's pretty good. But you can do some like concise, make it concise. You can use GPT for that, make it little concise, and make some space there for the project section also. Add some minimum 2 projects you have to add, and this CV is pretty good to go. Like it's very good, very good CV actually. Educations, you have to add one more thing, and you have to add education up above. Okay, okay, I made some changes here. So you have to make it upside. Okay, first education should come, and then experience, then internship and volunteering. And if the you can say if the internship experience or the work experience is taking a lot of space, you can skip volunteering part. You can simply give in achievement section or something like that. You can and add some projects, at least 2 projects here. Okay, so otherwise it's pretty good to go. This this CV is pretty good to go. You can check the ETS score here. Like there are many websites to check the ETS score, so you can check that, and that's it. Like, it's pretty good. I have only small projects from the Coursera. Is it okay to add? Okay, then like,
Sir,
okay, you can add that. Hmm.
yeah. Sir, now check one CV from Farah Kausar.
Okay.
F
In
A
which?
R H A. Yeah, FARHA.
Okay, that's one. Professional
Yes.
summary. Okay. Okay, so you can add the in 50 words, summary in 50 words. Okay. If something is there like freelance or something like that, you can add a achievement section there. You can add that things there, and same thing, like make it concise. Okay, like you don't add the whole URL. Okay, education. Okay, skills. Okay, you can add your some soft skills or the frameworks that you have used. You can add that. Okay, you have already added. You add some soft skills also here. Experience. Okay, developing AI solution. Add the impact here. Okay, so don't add directly developing AI solutions. So be little concise. So what, on which part you have worked on, what's the accuracy that you made, or what's the impact that you made in a particular thing. So data science internship skills campus, complete a 3 week AI course. Okay, you can. Okay, so you can add that thing also. Projects, AI powered chatbot using IBM. Okay, it's pretty good, but you can add the, like, same thing. Like, you can add the impact here. Okay, what's the impact? What's the impact that you made actually? So that will work. Healthcare. Okay, health booker. Same thing. That you have to be pretty concise. Okay, so don't like simply write AI powered chatbot. Okay, so like in chatbots, what you have used? Have you built your own LLM, or have you used the OpenAI API keys, or you have used prompt engineering there, something like that. Okay, so work on that thing. Okay, there's something called RAG model. Okay, and recently Microsoft had a live stream for that, and they have first told you the whole thing, how to build RAG model, how this will work, and the whole code was open source there. You can check the stream also, and you can learn that, and you can build the projects from there also. You can do that. Extracurricular represented ECL. Okay, add the, make some मतलब bold here, bold मतलब ECL IIT Bombay, make this little मतलब highlight the sections. Okay, so you can do that things. You can. Okay, that's it for the CV. So we can look if somebody saying last CV.
S-
Last CV we can see if somebody is there, want to review.
Sir K Rani.
K
She's
Rani.
saying that please
Okay, this
check
is the
my
last.
resume. I was asking from long time. K Rani.
Okay, this is the last CV I am seeing. Okay, so if you want, if afterwards, if you want to review your CV, so you can ping me on LinkedIn. I can do that. Yeah. Okay. This is the thing: diploma in computer science engineering, BTech in computer science engineering. Okay, pretty good. Skills section. I'm talking about this: languages, coursework, frameworks, tool. Divide the skill section in like in this manner. Okay. So projects, banking chatbot, developer banking chatbot, Kartik can manage 500 monthly inquiries. They highlight this part: 500 monthly inquiries, delivering detailed information bank, integrated NLP. May highlight this part. Okay. Utilize Python, CSS, JavaScript to backend efficient backend, enhance customer service with a 40%. I highlight this part. You can avoid this part. Okay, you can avoid this part to save some space, and you can add some projects or anything else and highlight this 40 percentile improvement, NLP, seamless text on interaction, or 500 monthly queries. Okay, highlight this thing. Easy document, developer of Flask, go with and that indicates Google Drive. Okay, enabling with upload file. Okay, you can add but do highlight the things. Okay, and use GPT for that also. Like, don't write the things by yourself. You like, this is a AI generation. AI time is going on. Okay, and GPT is too fast now. And you can give some prompts like input. Suppose you are a, like, you can add that there. Suppose you are a HR, and you have to create a CV for, and you have to improve my CV. So give me some, like, if I'm below is my current CV, and you have to improve it, and you have to improve it in such a way that the ATS score will increase, and you can add a sample job description also in that. So use the prompt engineering thing and use ChatGPT there. It will get boosted. So, and you can implement it actually. Completed a 15-day internship at Amazon Web Service, gain some experience, hire that thing. It's pretty good to go. Like, it's okay, 2025 pass out. So you can create some, I can say, add live link also, demo link, as I already told you, live link, demo link, or like adding a screen recording, posting on LinkedIn. So you can do that stuff also. So it's pretty good to go. Okay, this is the CV done.
Sir, some persons wants to join this
Okay.
session as live.
Okay, so can we
Yeah.
do that?
So first, so first one is Abhishek Sharma. He's
Mm-hmm.
here.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
Abhishek.
Hello, Abhishek.
Yeah, sir. Hello. Yeah, hello.
Yeah. Follow.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Abhishek.
Abhishek, please tell.
Do you have any question, Abhishek? Please ask.
Hello. I guess there's some problem from Abhishek's side.
I guess so. Abhishek.
He's trying to wait.
I guess there is some problem.
We can add that some other guy. Till then.
Yeah, just wait. And if you have any question, then just let us know in the comment section also. And if you want to join this, so Abhishek Sharma is here. Just wait. Yeah, Abhishek. Now you can
Yeah,
ask your question.
Yeah. Yeah, yes, Abhishek.
yeah. So, hello, sir. My name is Abhishek.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I am currently in a polytechnic in the last year of diploma, and
Mm-hmm.
currently pursuing diploma in IT.
Mm-hmm.
What are the steps that I can take to get into the MNC companies?
Okay, so can you please give me a like brief introduction? Like, I can know more about you.
Yeah, so my passion is about to develop the full stack websites. Like
Mm-hmm.
I am developing a website on canteen ordering system. So
Mm-hmm.
can I highlight in the resume also for that
Yeah,
project?
yeah. If you have made some progress in that, and you are, it's a pretty decent project. If it's a pretty decent project and you are working on that, and there's some progress in that, so you can add that thing. And yeah, you can add that. Like, you can collect some Google Forms from the from your friends or your colleagues from the campus, and you can build that. You can add that.
Or which language, sir, is the highly preferable to get into MNCs?
Like, what's the language you are doing currently?
I am for the front end. I am using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript,
Mm-hmm.
and understanding a little bit of React.js, concepts
Mm-hmm.
of React.js, and for the backend, I uses Node.js,
Okay, so you are
and
using
quite
one step.
yeah. And for the database, I am quite familiar with the MySQL.
Okay, okay. So it's for a node. Node is currently is booming in the market, so you can do that. For the, I would say that matlab, for the front end part, you can use React.js, and if you want to be little like outstand from the crowd, you can use Next.js, because authentication authorizations part and some other things are pretty cool is going on in the next years. So it's a one level up from the next years. So you can do that if you
Okay, okay.
and add the things which are not currently available in others project. Okay, so you can add like something like some improvements, some efficiencies. Okay, some like that you can know about Book My Show, how Book My Show was request for the Coldplay shows. Okay, so
Yeah, yeah,
you can add the number of requests that you are getting. So you how you are handling the request. Okay, so suppose uh, instantly you get 300 requests on your website. So how can you error? Matlab, you can say crowd handling or you can say okay, so are you getting now? So you can
yeah, yeah,
if someone is logging matlab 300 it's 300 people are logging at the same time, so logging in at the same time, so most of the projects will get blasted. Okay, they will get
yeah,
banned.
yeah, yeah,
So how
yeah,
can
yeah.
you
Got it.
improve that? Okay, so you
Yeah,
can
yeah, yeah,
highlight that thing, and you can use data if you have a good knowledge of data structures. Okay, so
yeah,
you
yeah,
can build projects of data structures also. Like personally, Google loves the projects based on the graph algorithm. Okay, in graph, Discretras. In one of my mentees, you can say interview, they asked that, okay, so have you built any projects based on the graph algorithm or like Google, Google Map, how Google Maps works. It totally works on the
yeah,
Discretras
yeah,
algorithm. They use they use hash map, Maxi for that. Okay, so they have asked for that thing. Have you done that thing previously? So it will make you stand out from the code. Like you can if you implemented that thing, the front end part is easy to you. Okay, so you can directly build the Google Google from the Google Maps for you. Okay, so you can get the like shortest path. Okay, from a particular location to a particular location. So you can do that.
yeah, sir. Sir, to get into the MNCs, which part to be preferable to participate more in hackathon or to do internship?
I would say that you can do both. Okay, actually, and how you can participate in a lot of hackathons. Okay, from the lot of if you participate in the hackathons, you can see that what others are doing, how you can make
Yeah,
the
yeah,
stand out from that. Okay, and personally, many of the company market standards are changing, and many of the companies are first hiring the candidates based upon the developing skills also now, and they are first giving the chance for an internship. From the internship they are testing that, okay, if this guy is able to like he can is fit for a company, or he's able to handle the pressure, the deadlines. Okay, so you can first from the participate in a lot of hackathons. From the hackathons you will get an opportunity for the internships also, because many HRs or startup founders also come in the hackathons.
yeah,
So they will directly approach you if you are uh, if you are capable enough, they will directly approach you. Okay, so he will approach you and you will get an internship. From the internship you will get some experience, and then you can jump upon MNCs. Okay.
okay, okay, sir. Yeah,
Yeah, so the next one is Nilesh. Yeah, Nilesh. Just wait. Yes.
Somebody is asking how I want to invest in Microsoft company, both equity investor. No, okay. So for the
Oh,
equity
wow.
investment, I am not a like financial advisor here. Okay, so you have to be a part of that company like an employee, or you have to build a demat account for a foreign investment. I'm not a financial advisor, okay? So
The
I can do that.
grandparents were forced to keep a caged bird because
Aditya, okay, I will please do ping me on my LinkedIn. It's already like uh, what I say pinged on the I guess a pinned na? On yeah, it's pinned. It's
Yeah.
already pinned on the chat section. You can ping me on LinkedIn. I will check you after this.
So just one question that means
Mhm.
which platform is good to check the ATS score? Means
There are
can you
many
guide
ATS
in this?
score. There are many ATS like there are many websites that ATS score is. You can check your ATS score. Like ATS score is totally depends upon the job description of a particular company. Like suppose there is an opening for a particular company, and there is some GD of that job description that we call job description. So you can upload that tools will work. Like you can upload your CV there, add the job description, and then you can get the ATS score for that. And you can improve how you can improve the ATS score. So you can use the keywords there. Okay, suppose there in a particular GT there are some keywords that is going on. Okay, so that particular you can say like suppose there is some C sharp or there is some demand of C sharp or .NET frameworks. So if you are quite familiar from that, you can add that thing. That while building a CV, we don't get some ideas. So if it happens actually, we know about a particular technology, but we didn't add that in our CV. So you can look at the ATS score, ATS like in the job description, you can get the keyword there, and you can check that. There are many ATS score in the ATS score checker in the market. You can directly check that.
They started making fun of the bird because it
Everybody is
refused to talk and took an instant dislike to her. She was frustrated by was
Okay, so if anyone has any doubt, then just let us know that what is your doubt, and I am also means see that
Fraternizer. Uh, fraternize. Associated with someone in friendly manner. Yeah? Friendly way. Friendly way. Energetic. but पूरा सुनिए ना हाँ
Uh, any more questions? Anybody have? Otherwise, we can stop here.
and sir, can you suggest some keywords to be included in resume to get means get a
Okay.
most high chance? Yes.
Oh, I like we can add like something like how the keywords we can say as I told you that there's not a particular CV for a particular for the all GDs. Okay, there's not a particular CV for that. You have to make some changes in the CV. You can that suppose there's an opening of Google. Okay, so you have to first upload your CV there, copy paste the job description in ATS code website. Okay, so you can get the ATS code there. From the ATS code, you can make some improvements. Okay, so you can look at the job description. You can check the keywords there. You can add that keywords in your like in your CV, make some changes, and then again check the ATS score. You can improve the ATS score in that manner. Okay, so there is not a particular. You can look around that there are many job openings here. So you can copy paste the job description. You can take a overview of that. You can look at the ATS score you are getting, and you can improve the CV. And it's a loop. You can say it's a loop, and there's not a perfect CV. Okay, nobody gets the 100 score in the CV. So there's some exceptions. Nobody gets the 100 ATS score. Okay, you have to. It's an iterative process. You have to iterate the process, and you have to improve the score, and then you can pretty good to go. If you think that okay, this is the score, this is 90 plus score which I am getting, so you can.
maintaining. Frustrated.
Okay, everyone stayed very frustrated. Thank you. In the video, Microsoft. No, I don't want to be like.
Changing.
Okay, so if
I don't.
no one has any question, then we can wrap up. If anyone
Yeah,
has no question,
Artisans.
yeah. If anywhere has
sir,
a gap
he's
year
saying
festival.
yes. Gap year, how to justify and makes ATS friendly.
Okay, ATS gap year. So I guess gap year in current scenario, gap years but like there are many less companies. Like I would say one or two out of 100 companies. Okay, they have a like they consider the gap year thing, but most of the companies doesn't care about gap year. Okay, so it's pretty, you can say, like you can ignore that thing. Okay, so suppose if a company like there's in my college, I
Religious.
like there's something called I guess Ion, or I don't remember the name. So they are looking for the gap year. So people who are having a gap year can't apply on that. So it's
Contested.
so having a gap year is not a thing.
And so one question also that
Contested.
how should anyone adjust the resume based on the job description? And also, does the adding percentage and adding numbers like these percentage I have achieved
Accuracy score.
improves ATS score? Yeah, is it means good to add?
No, it not improve the ATS score. Suppose your ATS score, like there are a lot of suppose there's some opening for a particular company, and there are 10,000 applications. We have 10,000 of CVs. So first step is shortlist according to the ATS score. So we can't see the 10,000 CVs together. Okay,
Yeah,
so they will shortlist top 1,000 CVs. So they will shortlist according to the ATS score first. Suppose your ATS score is 90 plus, so they will shortlist according to that. Then they will have 10,000 CVs. Okay, so you have used, I guess somebody has used like left swipe, right swipe thing. Okay, so they just left swipe the CV that they are not liking. Suppose you have the accuracy score, or you have added 90% accuracy of precision. Okay, so that the recruiters will take a look of that. Okay, that will take a, like, if the recruiter is looking somebody's CV for 5 seconds, they will look at a minimum 15 seconds. Okay, so he will say that okay, he has made some highlighted some accuracy score or precision score, and it's pretty apart from the crowd, like it's making a standout from the crowd, so we can shortlist it. So it's it act like this. Hackathon or coding, where to invest my valuable time cut. So hackathon and coding, so both are like hackathon and coding are the same thing. Okay, you should participate in the hackathon in which you do a lot of code there. Okay, you in hackathons, I would say participate in a lot of hackathons. That in hackathons, what happens is you have a 24-hour limits or 36 hour limit, and you have to implement the you have to implement a lot of things there. You will see other people, what others are building in front of you, how others are improving themselves. Like you learn in hackathons, you that code for straight 36 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours. So it's a like your curve like go like this. It's an exponential curve. Okay, so for the learning curve, you can see that your curve will go like this, and you will get to know, okay, this is the thing, and how can I improve my this, improve my thing there. So in participating in a lot of hackathons, participating in hackathons is pretty good stuff. So you can improve your development skills there also. And coding, when you are not participating in a hackathon, you can invest a part normal coding. Okay. Okay, so I guess we can wrap up.
yeah, I guess. Is there anyone has any question? Then just let us know, or we can wrap up. Okay,
Okay,
so it's
thank
time
you
to
so
wrap
much.
up, I
Okay,
guess.
thank you for your
Uh,
time.
I hope each of you found this session on the power of networking also incredibly helpful for you.
Mm-hmm. Goodness, okay, good night.
And a special thank you to Kartik sir for sharing his valuable knowledge and experience with us. Yeah, so we appreciate your time, sir.
Okay, thank you so much for inviting also. Like it's
Yes,
a good opportunity to talk a lot of books.
yes.
Question was very. Thank you,
I see
Lakshmi.
that the
Thank you,
insight
Tanvi.
and yes.
One question. Okay. Can you be a little fast? We have to wrap up this thing.
Yeah, Tanvi. Tanvi, you
Uh,
can join the session also. Just you have to message me.
your
You
LinkedIn
can
ID.
come in the
Okay,
live.
sir. LinkedIn ID is already pinned in the chat section. You can ask the question.
Tanvi, we have already discussed about the website to check the ATS score.
Yeah, you can check the. I guess there is some recording, no, for the session.
Yeah, yeah, sir. I will provide them the recording also.
So Tanvi, you can look at the recording and you can get to
Yes,
know about the ATS code. And if you have any doubt, then please do ping me on LinkedIn. So we can
yes.
have a discussion there.
Also, you can pin on LinkedIn. Okay, to sir.
Okay, thank you, Shri. Okay, so we can wrap up the section now.
Yes.
It's pretty good time.
Okay, so thank you once again to everyone who participated, and a huge thank you to Kartik sir.
Thank you. So we can leave now.
Yeah. So bye
Okay.
bye. Good night, everyone.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.